Hi viewers, hope you are doing well. So again, I bring new tutorial for you. Hope you watch my previous tutorials. In this tutorial, I brought like new thing, how to design photography and how to place in mockup. Like it seems your photography you put on wallpaper. So this kind of photography I will create in this tutorial. So before I am telling you, if you don't save my new playlist, first you have to save it. Then so let's go to our tutorial. Yes, viewers, now we are on screen. So first, I will tell you, I will take size of 1280 by 769 pixel. This size I took. You can take any kind of size, but it depends on your design, what kind of design you are creating. So let's go to first. I will go to one website. I will take one pic because I'm creating photography. So I will take two pics. Then after that, I will place mockup. So uh, first, I will take any kind of pic, one amazing pic. Like I will take this pic. You can take any kind of pics because a lot of websites are there, so you can take easily. I will take this pic. Just Control V, paste it. Then press Control T. Then increase its size. Just increase it. Okay. So then I want to zoom it a little bit. Then I will take rectangle tool, just it draw on it. First you realize it will be nothing, you it seems, but after that it will be everything. So I'm just creating photography. This photo is ready. At last it will be new. So again I will take another picture. I will take this pic. This is also amazing pic. Just copy it, and for few minutes I will disappear this layer. Control V, paste it, then press Control T, increase its size. Same trick apply here. Take rectangle tool, drag on it, just drag on it. Okay, and take color and just make one layer. Okay, our both pictures are ready. Let me show. Our both pictures are ready. Now I will take one amazing background. So let's go to our website. I will take one amazing background. What kind of background I will take? First, let me search it. So viewers, here I will select one background. I will select this one. Just copy this image and paste here. Plus Control T, increase its size. Okay, that's it. So also decrease its size. Now this is depend on you. If you say I want to just little bit like this kind of image, I want to place it. It also looks like a beautiful like original level. It depend on you. Then also you have to do same trick with this one. Little bit rotate it. Okay. One thing more, I want to double click on this layer. I want to drop its shadow. Drop its shadow. See? Let me show you. See, now it's better and amazing. And same trick you will use this here. Okay, one thing more, I will take pin. It's like a, we can say, professional trick, you can say, but it is amazing. Like this. Okay, just place here, decrease its size a little bit. Okay, and place shadow, then take its copy and place here. Just press Ctrl T, flip horizontal. See, just one thing we require here. Little bit I blur its background. Little bit I want to blur it. Now it's better. Okay, so this tutorial is a little bit simple. So I thought, why not I will create one tutorial. Yes, viewers, this is my tutorial. Hope you enjoyed. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe it and press bell icon. You can follow me on my social media accounts. Link are available. So this is for today. See you next time. Bye bye.